In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Revolut to Apple Wallet. And to start off, you need to be sure that you have a Revolut account, and if you don't have one yet, please check the link in the description to get started for free. So let's begin with the video. We're going to our card section at the top right, and in here we are going to either select a card we want to add to Apple Wallet or we add a new card. And I'm going to click on Add New, and in here we're going to select a virtual card. And let's say we take this one. And now we can name a card. And when you have created a card, we are going back to our card section where we were before. And in this section, we are going to select the card that we want to add to Apple Pay. And I'm going for the tutorial card. So we click on tutorial card. In here, we see the details of our selected card. And if you want to add this card to Apple Wallet, you simply click on the bottom Add to Apple Wallet button, and then your card will be added to your Apple Pay. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.